जो अगली टेक्नोलॉजी हम पढ़ेंगे वो है डिजिटल टेलीविज़न। हम इसके एक इस कंटेंट में जाएंगे, इसकी डेफिनेशन पढ़ेंगे, फिर हम यहाँ से हाउ डज़ ए डिजिटल टेलीविज़न वर्क हम उस बारे में भी पढ़ेंगे। तो जी स्टार्ट करते हैं। हाँ जी, तो डिजिटल टेलीविज़न DTV, डिजिटल टेलीविज़न is the transmission of television signals using digital rather than unconventional analog methods. Advantage of DTV include better resolution and compatibility with the computers and the internet. Analog television broadcasts are scheduled to stop in 2009. Digital television is the transmission of television signals using digital rather than conventional analog method. Advantage of DTV over analog TV include superior image resolution, detail for a given bandwidth, smaller bandwidth for a given image resolution, compatibility with computers and the internet, interactivity, superior audio quality, consistency of reception over varying disease. अच्छा, ये इसके 1 2 3 4 5 6 एडवांटेज हैं टीवी के, टेलीविज़न के। डिजिटल टेलीविज़न इज़ नॉट द सेम थिंग एज HD TV, high definition television. HD TV describes a new television format include a new aspect ratio and pixel density. But now, how the format will be transmitted? Digital television can be either standard or high definition. In the United States, analog television broadcast will stop in 2009. Analog television set will require digital setup boxes to convert transmission. Most satellite and cable subscriber already have converted boxes. However, people who previously used antennas for over-the-air transmission and cable customer who now plug the cable directly into the set will need convert. How does digital television work? Digital television uses digital signal instead of the radio signals to transmit program. Information in a digital signal is transmitted as ones and zeros binary bits which are put back together at the receiving end to form picture and sound. Digital signal can be compressed more efficiently, so they use up less bandwidth on the electromagnetic spectrum. This bandwidth is limited resources used in all radio and television transmission and many others communication systems such as mobile phone networks. These signals offer the potential for more channel and better picture quality. When was the digital TV first introduced in UK? On 30th March 2005, two tiny communities near the town of Carmarthen in West Wales became the first in the UK to receive television signals exclusively in digital form. The government conducted the digital switchover technology trial in the Ferry sites and Lastfm in partnership with several broadcast interests. They hoped to learn how viewers would react and what they would need to make the switch successfully. How and why was the technology tested? These two villages were selected as test sites of the number of reasons. They were covered by the same transmitter which had enough capacity to broadcast analog and digital signals simultaneously for a trial period. There was a good local supplier of digital set-top boxes. The population had a high proportion of elderly people and were Vulnerable residents through most like to find the change difficult. With an average of almost 3 sets per household, they watched a lot of TV, but despite having a limited choice of terrestrial channels, just four, including the Welsh language channel S4C, fewer viewer had installed digital satellite TV than the average for Wales, so the village made a good testing ground for the switch to digital television. The project team designed the viral to assess the ability of consumer to make the necessary changes to the equipment. They expected all but most elderly to acquire and install the new set top boxes themselves.